Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today I'll be learning how to view collections in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your collections in your Picsart account, first open up your Picsart app on your phone. And after opening your Picsart app, guys, you'll land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three buttons available for us. We'll be required to tap on the button that's on the middle, just between the person with the plus icon and the three dotted icon. Tap on the middle button at the top right corner of the screen, and over here, guys, all of your collections which you had created or you had saved will be available on this interface. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view your collections in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.